I already replaced this one with one that I had. Now, had the same exact clamp and everything on that other one as this one. Look. Yeah, it never ceases to amaze me anymore. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. I gotta see what's going on in there, and yeah, we just gotta get this thing looking better so we can work on it. Let's see. Ho 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 ho! Chuckles! Oh goodness gracious! All right, well, let's do a little digging. Nobody's too fast for Chuckles. Eviction day today. Anybody home? Nobody home, I don't think. Anybody home? Oh my goodness gracious. Look how packed this thing is. Nobody home, I don't think. You gonna jump out of that hole? Yeah, gotta do a little bit more digging. Gotta get these bolts out here, get that whole shroud out of there. Just continue power washing and blowing stuff out. Yeah, I get these from Aldi. I like those cookies, but I like the tin better. Yeah, I think that the mice moved out and the ants moved in. Been sitting so long. Gentleman said something like 15 years. Okay, so we got it nice and cleaned up now. So we know that we had that bad coil there. Go ahead and take that off. Little tab over here, you got to bend up a little bit, go down, take your line off of there, there you go. Yeah, that's a bad coil, ain't it? All right, got our new coil here. I'll put the link in the description of the part number. It's just from Amazon. I don't think you gotta get too technical with coils on the lawnmower. At least I don't. I don't get too technical. Go ahead and put our wire on there. All right. Screws on. Let's go get a business card real quick. See if we got spark. All right. Go ahead and slip that through there. Give her a turn. Let it suck in. There you go. Okay. Okay, slide that out of there. All right, let's see if she's got spark. Well, first I have to jump it off with that John Deere over there. The battery is dead on this one. Hey, it's got spark. All right. All right, she's gonna be a good one. Let's hear that again, huh? All right, let's try that again. Hold on to your chuckles. Oh my God. Oh, ain't got no gas in it. Alrighty. Okay, we're on our way. Let's put that cover back on there and move on. Alright, I put a little bit of fuel in the tank. Let's see if it dead battery. Kinda got me again. Alright, so I put a little bit of two-stroke in there. I don't know how long that thing's been sitting. It's just a little bit. Don't get all crazy. Alright, ready? Maybe I need to put a little bit more in it, eh? She definitely needs a carb clean, but yeah, we're moving right along now. Go get him, Chuckles. Okay, we got our carburetor apart and off. The bowl looks like it's seen better days, eh? And so does the carburetor. Yeah, it's been sitting for a minute. So let's get our float off first. Boy, this thing's dirty. Inside and out. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take a brush, like that, and get off the rough stuff first, and I'll bring it back. Alright, so cleaned it up a little bit on the outside, so when we put it in our machine here, and ultrasonic, you're not introducing more dirt than what you should be doing. There's going to be a little bit of dirt, of course. Let's check out that. That's not bad. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and get that in the machine. Okay. Got our components all clean. Put a new gasket on there. We will put our needle on first. There we go. Slip our pin in there. Alright. Put our bowl on. Here's our anti-backfire solenoid. I know it works. I checked it off camera. I didn't get it on camera this time. It's okay. My neighbor's doing some kind of a drilling over there across the street. I can hear it. Alright, so we got that on. Let's get this on the machine and see if we got ourselves a running little mower here. Chuckles, you've been doing side jobs again. Okay, you ready, Chuckles? Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah! Alright, so let's go after that deck next, eh? We're gonna have to take it completely out of there. Maybe flip it upside down, look at the blades and that. Okay. Well, moving on. It's always interesting to see what people use as fasteners after a while on these. That seems to be a combination of I got frustrated with a pair of vice grips, and boy oh boy, this thing is in bad shape, isn't it? And do we got a survivor back here? Yeah, we got a survivor back there. All right, well, let's get this thing off of there and get her cleaned up. I don't want to dig my hand in there. That's nasty. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh. I think there's a family of 4 of ant farms or something. I don't know. I keep getting bit on my hands. Let's take it all in, eh? Yeah. Something's been living in there for a minute. Ants and rodents. I see a couple turds. Oh boy. Alright, let's get this thing cleaned up. Alright, well that looks a little bit better. We're going to go ahead and get it dried off. Get some of these commonly moving parts greased up. Check our spindles. It looks like that it's been sitting for a minute, so we got to check those spindles, make sure those spindles are okay. What is this? Bad deck month? Look at this. Wow, look at these blades. What is going on? Goodness gracious. Just hit all the rocks and the stumps and the stones and oh, moving on. Oh, we're gonna play that again. All right, try to see if we can get this off of here. Good old M7. I brought that one out of retirement from my diesel days. Okay, so I noticed that this spring right here was broken, so I went ahead and ordered another one. This is the number that you like to use, is that 169022. That's the good number for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. All right, so it just hooks onto this one and then goes over to that little cut inside the deck here. There you go. Now, let me zoom in a little bit. Now if we, oh, there we go. See, it returns. It wasn't returning because the spring wasn't there. Okay, moving on. Okay, let's see if it'll stay engaged. Very cool, very cool. All right, that's gonna do it for today. I appreciate everybody stopping by and getting this little thing running again. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye bye now.